guys, this is Sriram. Welcome to Sriram Creations, and today I have an awesome product for you guys, and especially this is a product for starters who are running a YouTube channel same like us, or if you want to make good professional looking TikTok videos. So this thing will be really helpful to you. Now this is the thing that I'm talking about. So this is a tripod stand which costs around 450 rupees, which is the most exciting part, and I'll give the description below so that you can go and purchase it over there. Now this thing looks it looks in a way that it looks as a steel, but it is not steel actually, it is aluminum. Well, it as you're compromised to the price, then you have to compromise to the quality also. So it is not as good quality, it's not a good quality, but you can say it is an average quality. So as we are beginners, right, so we have to understand how tripod things works, because here you have a lot of functional things that you have to know. Might be that you can get a high-end one and then try learning it from it, but this thing will gain you more much knowledge, so that if you buy that the others which cost around 2000 or etc., then you will understand how to use that properly. So it is like a demo product so that you can understand how the real tripod works. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. So before starting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I post a new video. So everyone gets confused in one part, and that part, especially when you're buying online, you get to know the size a little bit. The pictures that are shown there are a little longer or larger than in the real life. So for that clarification, I got a measuring tape, and I measured from the top to the tip, and then it was around 45 inches. So 45 inches is like, it's not so tall. It is okay. It is just good for a normal photography. You have to bend, I think. You have to bend and then take your face photo. So it's like that. Maybe it can reach my legs. So that is the height of this whole thing. So don't expect much bigger version of this. If you want a bigger one also, there are like 6 feet tripods which are for 600, but I don't know until I get hands on it. Anyways, but this is our topic. Now we also get a cover for this thing in the packaging only, but this cover is not so good. It's just a cover. It's just to cover this tripod. That's what you can know from the packaging. And you will also get a mobile holder right on top of this. Let me show you. Look, this thing which is rotating, right? This thing will be given free to you. So you have to first see the description. I'll link all of this in the description, so you can directly buy all the products together. So in total it is 450. Now this is separate. Well, it will be including in the packaging, and this is separate, so you have to link that to this. If you have a DSLR, then you can mount that on this one. But if you have a big DSLR cameras like you can see in the studios, right, don't try to ever do that. Just don't mount it, because it cannot weigh, it cannot stable, it cannot withstand that much of weight. So it's good for phones. Now coming to its height and etc., these functions, you have 3 levels over here. So you can just like pull this in, and you can pull this out also. You can push this in and you can pull it out. So it's a 3 level one. Let me show you. Like if I open it all and then pull it on. Okay, so you have safety belts over here, which they're okay. And you have this middle rod, right? That can also be, I'll show you, wait. So this is what like you get. So this is the size, normal size. No, wait, this is not the normal size. Again, you have a lever over here so that you can just press that in and then rotate this screw down here. Now again, you can fold this like this. So it's a fully portable tripod stand that you can afford in a very good price with a very good product. Look, when you want to buy this kind of thing, you have to compromise for the quality. because we are just on a random purpose. So until then it's good, it's fine. And you also have some functions over here, this to rotate up, and this thing on the sides is for multifunctions, right? So you can get, and you also have this green color thing. Maybe it's good for you to get a top down view of. Welcome to the top down view of this thing. So on the top you can see a screw type thing which is now rotating. I'm rotating it from the bottom part. Let me show you. So this is the screw, so that makes this thing to get open and close. So this screw is there, right? That screw you will use it for mounting your DSLR or to this holder. So for your holder you'll get this thing, that hole, and then you will insert that thing in the hole, and then like that, and then you'll mount your phone. So this is extendable, so you can mount any sized phone like that. So you can do portrait and landscape also. Now let's just remove this mobile holder. Now let's see this parts. Now you have one thing over here, this screw. So if you open, or if you lose the screw, then you can change the direction of this. So when it's like this, then your camera will be facing this side, so then you will take photos from that side. So it differs, it depends upon your usage and how you use it. So you can fix it like that, you can just tilt it and then it's done. And again you have this lever to tilt it like this and this, so you can tilt it either ways, which is also a good thing. And also you have one here, this thing is for rotating the whole setup. So when you have this thing, you can rotate this piece. When you lose this, then you can rotate this full piece. So now you can catch this holder and then you can rotate 360 degrees, which is a cool thing. And then you will close this lever, which is right here, it's over here, right in this center, and then you tight this lever and then it's fixed. And you can also see a green color fluid inside, and there is a bubble actually. You might see that properly, maybe. Yeah, there is a bubble which moves. So it depends upon the direction. If you have to set that in the middle to take good pictures. So, and you have to set everything so that it goes in middle like that, and then you're ready to go. This is what you can generally see in this tripod. And there is also a screw right over here. This, if you lose this thing, then you can extend this like that. So you will going to extend this rod and like that, so it grows, and then literally you will just pull it off and then again screw this, tight this up. So this is the top down view of this. That was the tripod stand, and it's here. So that was the whole tripod stand, and hope you liked it. And if you want to buy that, then as I told you before, it's down there in the description. Go there and you'll find it, a way to buy that. And also I'm going to unbox this thing. I won't say what is this, maybe you know what is it, but my next video is going to be about that review. So I'm currently using it from about a half a day now, and I'll tell you all my reviews and opinions about it. So until then, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and also share it with your friends who are interested to buy this kind of products, and also comment. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next one.